So what's up guys? So now I'm going to show you how is the proper way of retrieving a data loss or a corruption on your PC. So first search for cmd or the command prompt and run it as administrator. Just click run as administrator. Click yes and type sfc scan sf sfc scan now and click enter. As you can see guys, system is beginning to scan. And the other way is through command dism.exe online cleanup image restore health. So so if you run that same scanning, that's it guys. I hope you learned. Thank you.